Here we have this beautiful 88 key keyboard, and here's my review of it. So this is from STRICH, and check out how beautiful this wood frame is. And the music stand can come on and off, but this is a phenomenal looking keyboard. Very beautiful. That beautiful wood finish is astounding. It has, I believe it's actually real wood as well, because it does have a texture feeling too of the different grains and the striations of the wood platform. It feels real, but this is so beautiful. But it does have the full 88 keys. These are hammer action weighted, so this mimics a real piano, even though it is a digital piano. And yeah, this keyboard is beautiful. I imagine the number one thing you're probably going to want to know about it is how do the speakers, the built-in speakers, sound on the actual piano itself. So I'll play a few small beginner pieces, and you can judge for yourself how you like it. I love how it sounds. I am just learning piano, so I'm just learning a few short pieces. Let me play a little bit for you so you can hear how it sounds. I think it sounds really, really nice with the built-in speakers. And that volume that I was playing at was volume 4, and it can go all the way up to the number 16. And this is how loud it is. Pretty loud for how small this keyboard is. It does have a lot of the standard options and features with most digital keyboards. You can record, you can play, there's metronome, there's tempo, there's a lot of different things that you can do to help assist in becoming a better pianist. There are also hundreds of preset instrument noises built into this keyboard. And there is an audio in port which can allow you to bring in audio signals and play them through the piano's own speakers. So that's really an awesome thing with this piano. So if you want to compose, if you want to mix music, you can certainly use this keyboard to do so. And there also is wireless and USB and MIDI connection ports. And it also comes with a set of headphones. So if you want to play in a more quiet, more personal setting, you can use those headphones by plugging them into the audio jack in port with this keyboard. Overall, this keyboard is fantastic. You know, me being a beginner, it's wonderful for me. And looking at all of the features with this keyboard, it would be fantastic for a more advanced pianist than myself. So if you're looking to get this for yourself, I love this keyboard. I reckon you would too. So yeah, absolutely recommend it to you.